Hi, in today's lesson we will be looking at pronouns with relative clauses. Relative clauses are clauses that provide more information about a noun in the main clause. Pronouns play a crucial role in connecting relative clauses to the main clause. We can use relative clauses after personal pronouns, that is I, me, you, him, it, they, etc. For example, she insists that it's you who must give the speech. The relative clause is who must give the speech. This relative clause provides additional information about the personal pronoun you. Or in this example, but it wasn't me who broke the chair. We have the personal pronoun me followed by the relative clause who broke the chair. The relative clause is giving the reader more information about me. Relative clauses can also be used after indefinite pronouns. An indefinite pronoun is a pronoun that does not refer to any specific person, thing, or amount. Common indefinite pronouns include someone, anyone, something, anything, everyone, or everything. So in this example, do you know anyone who has a pair of skis? We have the indefinite pronoun anyone followed by the relative clause who has a pair of skis. Or there must be something that, this is optional here, we can do about the broken heating. Here we have the indefinite pronoun something followed by the relative clause that we can do about the broken heating. We often leave out the relative pronoun, in this case that, when it is the object of the verb. The use of subject pronouns sounds very formal. It wasn't I who broke the chair. A much less formal way of saying this is I didn't break the chair. We can also use the pronoun those, but not these, with who, which, that, or reduced relative clauses. For example, those who know him well say he will stand up for his principles. The sentence uses a relative clause, who know him well, to provide more information about the specific group of people referred to as those. The relative pronoun who connects the relative clause to the main clause, creating a complex sentence. Or, ask those who are waiting in the corridor to come in. The relative clause is who are waiting in the corridor. The relative clause provides additional information about the noun those in the main clause. It starts with the relative pronoun who and describes a specific group of people, those who are waiting in the corridor. Or, his ideas are similar to those, which or that we've heard before, not similar to which we've heard before. The relative clause is which or that we've heard before. The relative clause provides additional information about the noun those in the main clause. It starts with the relative pronoun which or that and describes a specific group of ideas, those we've heard before. This relative clause helps specify and identify the ideas being referred to. Or, organic apples are those which or that have been grown without the use of chemicals. The relative clause is which or that have been grown without the use of chemicals. It provides additional information about the noun apples in the main clause. It starts with the relative pronoun which or that and describes a specific type of apple, those that have been grown without the use of chemicals. This relative clause helps define and specify the organic apples being referred to. We can use quantifiers as pronouns followed by who or that. For example, there aren't many who like her. So many here is the quantifier followed by the relative clause beginning with who. It provides additional information about the group of individuals referred to as many. This relative clause helps specify and identify the individuals in question. Or, there isn't much that he misses, not much which. So much here is the quantifier, followed by the relative clause beginning with that. It provides additional information about the noun much in the main clause and describes the specific action or state that he misses. Now it's your turn. Add the phrase to the sentence with the appropriate changes. Those blank should hand them in. The phrase to add is they have completed their questionnaires. Those who have completed their questionnaires should hand them in. 2. Pablo Picasso blank helped establish modern art. The phrase to add is many of his paintings look like large abstract shapes. You know what to do. Write your answer down below and I promise to give you feedback on your answer. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when new lessons come out. Take care and see you very soon. Bye bye.